Hi guys, I'm Mehdi from Philly channel. Today I'm taking you to Revolution Square, which is one of the main squares of Tehran that you're able to get to many different Tehran sites by using public transportation. Before the Islamic Revolution, this square was called 24th of March, the birth of first Pahlavi king, the King Reza. That his statue was built in middle of the square. After Islamic Revolution, a square name changed to Revolution Square and the statue destroyed and replaced by a symbol of Iron Holy 8-year defense. But after 13 years, the symbol is not ready and incomplete. Almost all around the square is full of bookshops that have all different kind of public and expert books. There are many coffee shops, restaurants, cinemas, and libraries. That is a good reason to gather many students from all over Tehran city to this place. Best way to reaching this place is using subway line 4 and taking off on Revolution Square station. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when a new video releases. Comment me if you had any questions and don't forget to like the video. Thanks for staying with me and hope you enjoyed the video.